Hey guys, I'm Mike Caffrey with Black Hills UTV, and today at UTV Underground we're going to be showcasing the Rhino USA safety wrist straps. Great product to use when you're out on the trail and you do not have safety nets. So one of the most common accidents with UTVs are rollovers. Most your enthusiasts do not have window nets, and people tend to put their arms out of the cage when something like this happens, and 9 times out of 10 it ends up with a broken wrist or arm. In the unlikely event that you roll your car, the new Rhino safety wrist straps will keep you and your co-driver safe by restraining your outside wrists from flying out the car. Even your most experienced drivers can stick their arm out the window in the case of a rollover. It's a common occurrence and you don't really think right before you do it. So the Rhino UTV wrist safety straps keep your hand from moving beyond the safety of the cage. Most UTVs don't come with window nets, so it's your responsibility to keep yourself and your passengers safe. With these wrist straps, you still have full range of motion and it does not restrict your driving at all. Each set comes with 2 wrist cuffs with D-rings and 2 seatbelt anchor straps, one for you and your co-driver. Utilizing the D-ring, the anchor straps are fully adjustable and easy to use. So to ensure the safety of you and your friends, it's always a good idea to have a set of these in your glove box for your next ride. The Rhino USA safety wrist straps are some of the best insurance money can buy. Visit rhinousainc.com or just ask for them at your local off-road shop.